In the still of a fateful Saturday night, the Miami-Dade Police Department was summoned to an unsettling scene. On West 40th Street, amidst the clamor of an apartment building, they found Megan Moore, 25, wounded. Tragedy struck again as another gunshot echoed from within, prompting an immediate evacuation. A SWAT team later discovered the lifeless bodies of Sidney Capolino, 23, and Luis Napoles, 40, in a tragic murder-suicide. Capolino from Pawling, New York, and Moore from Centerville, Massachusetts, were both esteemed alumni of New England College. Their shared love for ice hockey had made them pillars of their college community. The college reels mourning the loss of two vibrant lives cut short. President Dr. Wayne F. L'Esperance Jr. expressed profound sorrow and extended heartfelt condolences to the bereaved. He urged the college community to unite and support each other in these trying times. The NEC Wellness Center stands ready to provide counseling services, a beacon of support even during spring break.